Skeleton animation videos are blowing up right now, and the best part is, you can create them for literally any niche. In this video, I'll show you how to create both vertical and horizontal skeleton videos using free and paid methods, step by step. And if you're starting a brand new channel, I highly recommend picking up a pre-monetized YouTube account so you can start earning from day one. The link is in the description below. Step 1. Generating your prompts. Open ChatGPT and go to Explore GPTs. In the search bar, type skeleton and look for the Skeleton Shorts GPT. Open it. Now, paste or type your video script into the chat. This GPT is specifically trained for skeleton content, so it will automatically generate the right image and video prompts tailored to your script. This saves you a lot of time and guesswork. Step 2. Generating your images. Once you have your prompts, head over to a tool called Flow. This is where you'll bring your skeleton characters to life visually. Before you start generating, make sure to grab the reference image pack from the Google Drive folder linked in the description. These are pre-made skeleton character reference images that help the AI stay consistent throughout your video. Inside Flow, click the plus icon to upload one of those reference images. This ensures your character looks the same across every single frame. Then, choose your aspect ratio. For the model, select Nano Banana Pro. Don't worry, this model uses 0 credits, so it is completely free to use. Hit Generate, and within a few moments your images will be ready. Repeat this process for each prompt to build out your full sequence of frames. For long-form YouTube content, simply change the aspect ratio from 9:16 to 16:9 before hitting Generate. This switches the output from vertical to horizontal format, which is the standard widescreen layout used for regular YouTube videos. Step 3. Generating your video. On each image inside Flow, click the 3 dots menu and select Add to Prompt. Then switch from the Image tab to the Video tab, and from there switch to the Frames mode. Enter your video motion prompt. This tells the AI how you want the character to move, and hit Generate. Now, regarding credits on Flow, new users receive 100 free credits on sign-up, plus 50 free credits every single day. Each video generation costs 20 credits, which means you can generate multiple videos daily for free. That's more than enough to get started. If you want a completely free option with no credit system at all, Meta AI is your best bet. Go to Meta AI and navigate to the Create section. Switch the mode to video, then upload the skeleton image you generated earlier. Use the same prompt you used for image generation and hit Create. Meta AI will generate a 5-second video clip with no sound. It is completely free with no limits. For beginners or those on a tight budget, Meta AI is honestly the stronger choice here.